Good morning to everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to upload videos on YouTube using just your phone. Yes, we can do that and it's hassle-free. First, you have to go to your browser. My browser is Google Chrome. And then on the omnibar or the address bar, type youtube.com. Click on the go button after that. Then click on the three dots on the upper right corner of your screen. Make sure that the desktop site is checked. Click your channel icon. And then click your channel. Click create and upload videos. Select file. Next is click file. Now is the time to select for the video that you want to upload. It is an MP4 file. While the video is being uploaded, you can type in your details, like the title of the video. Okay, mine is Learn to Read Phonics Reading Add Family. And then select all the title and copy it. Paste it on the description box below. I always want to copy my title and put it on my description box. Just add some words, phrases, sentences that will best describe your video in the description box. Now it's time to put on our thumbnail. Click browse. Then select the one that you have prepared for your thumbnail. Click on the search button of your playlist and then check on the box of the playlist where you want your video to be. For your audience, you can select from yes, it is made for kids, or no, it is not made for kids. Now it's time to put on your tags for your video. It will take you minutes to type your tags. According to my research, you have to maximize your tags. Those tags will make your video searchable. Let's select the language of the video. Select the recording date of the video. Be sure that standard YouTube license is checked. Select the category of your video. Make sure that the two boxes there are checked. Wait until the video is uploaded. Okay, it's nearly done. It's processing already. Wait until it becomes HD. Click next. And then you can put on end screen or end cards if you have. After that, click next again. Click public. And finally, publish it. You can also share your link to your social media account. There you have it! Your video now is in your channel. Congratulations! You now know how to upload videos on YouTube. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much! Watch out for the next tutorial videos, learning videos, garden decor ideas, pagbasa Marungko approach, free background music for YouTube videos, my adventures, cooking and food vlogs, and many more. See you next vlog!